With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is the incidence of an occupation disease to the workers of a factory is found to be 1 upon 5,000. If there are 10,000 workers in the factory, then the probability that none of them will get the disease is. So let's see the solution here. So simply what is given in the question, that is due to an incidence of an occupation disease to the worker of a factory is found to be 1 upon 5,000. Okay. Now total number of workers in the factory are 10,000. Okay. So what we have to find? We have to find the probability that none of them will get disease. Okay. So first of all, we will write the given thing, that is we have given the probability of disease to worker of a factory. It is nothing but is equals to how much? We have given 1 upon 5,000. Now according to question, total number of workers are 10,000. It means we have given n is equals to 10,000. Okay. Now from here we can able to find the value of lambda, which is equals to n into p. So this will be equals to 10,000 multiplied by 1 upon 5,000. So it is equals to how much? That is 2. So we get the value of lambda will be equals to 2. Now we know one of the formula, that the probability of x to x, okay, x is equals to given by e raised to minus of lambda into 2 raised to of x divided by, sorry, not 2 raised to x, it is lambda raised to x. Okay, lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. Now as per the question, we have to find the probability of none of them will get disease. Means none of them means the zero number of workers get the disease. So can I say that here we have to find the probability of x is equals to 0, means value of x will be 0 here. So if you simply substitute the values, that is e raised to minus of 2 into 2 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial. So it will be equals to e raised to minus 2. Now anything raised to 0 becomes 1 divided by 0 factorial having the value of 1. So it will be equals to how much? That is e raised to minus of 2. And this is nothing but our required answer. Now let us take the option here. So option B will become correct. So this is the required solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.